Please, sir. Just a few cents. I'm so hungry.
Get away! Get away from my car! Go find a job!
Please, sir. Can you help me? I have nothing.
If I help you, what do you have to offer me in return?
What?
But sir, I am a beggar. I am poor. How can I offer anything to a rich man like you?
I never pay for nothing. In life, you must provide value to receive something.
Why did he ask that? I have nothing to give. Or do I? People love flowers. Maybe I can give a flower to everyone who helps me. I want to make them happy. Hello, ma'am. Would you like a flower?
Oh, how lovely. Thank you, young man. Here is $5.
This time, I have something for you. If you help me, I will give you this beautiful flower.
Now you understand. Excuse me, sir. Do you remember me? You look familiar. Have we met before? I am the boy who gave you a flower at this light 5 years ago. What happened? How did your life change so much? I started a small flower shop, then another. Whenever I was stuck, I asked myself, what can I offer? How can I solve a problem? Now, I own a chain of flower boutiques across the country. I stopped begging and started providing value. Thank you for your advice.